If you're over 60 and you ate any of these 5 foods today, you may be slowly damaging your brain without even knowing it. I'm not talking about obvious junk food. I'm talking about foods most doctors consider perfectly fine, foods you probably have in your kitchen right now. Stay with me for the next few minutes because what I'm about to share could genuinely change how you think about what you eat. Welcome to Thrive After 60, where every week we bring you science-backed strategies for living stronger, sharper, and healthier in your 60s, 70s, and beyond. Today we're diving into nutrition and brain health, specifically the foods that research now links to accelerated cognitive decline after 60, and exactly what to replace them with. Food 1. White bread and refined carbohydrates. Let's start with something that might surprise you. White bread, white rice, regular pasta, these are staples in most households. But here's what the research shows. Refined carbohydrates cause rapid spikes in blood sugar, and repeated blood sugar spikes over time create inflammation in the brain. A 2023 study published in the journal Nutrients found that older adults who consumed high amounts of refined carbohydrates showed significantly faster rates of cognitive decline than those who didn't. What to eat instead? Switch to whole grain bread, brown rice, and sweet potatoes. These release energy slowly, keep blood sugar stable, and actually contain nutrients that support brain function. Food 2. Margarine and vegetable oils high in omega-6. This one surprises almost everyone. For decades, we were told margarine was healthier than butter. The truth is more complicated. Many margarines and vegetable oils, like sunflower oil and corn oil, are extremely high in omega-6 fatty acids. When omega-6 is consumed in excess without enough omega-3 to balance it, it promotes chronic inflammation throughout the body, including the brain. Research from the University of California found that diets high in omega-6 fats were associated with reduced brain volume and poorer cognitive function in adults over 60. What to eat instead? Cook with extra virgin olive oil. Use real butter in moderation. Get your omega-3s from salmon, sardines, walnuts, and flax seeds. Food 3. Ultra-processed snack foods. Packaged biscuits, crisps, flavored crackers, instant noodles. Anything with an ingredient list longer than 5 items and words you can't pronounce. A major study following over 10,000 adults found that every 10% increase in ultra-processed food consumption was associated with a 25% faster rate of cognitive decline. These foods are engineered to be addictive. They contain artificial additives, preservatives, and seed oils that directly interfere with how your brain cells communicate. What to eat instead? Nuts, seeds, fresh fruit, hummus with vegetables, dark chocolate over 70% cocoa. Simple, real foods your brain actually recognizes. Food 4. Alcohol, even in moderate amounts. This is the one people push back on most. You've probably heard that a glass of red wine a day is good for you. Here's what the latest science actually says. A landmark 2022 study in Nature Communications analyzed brain scans of over 25,000 people and found that even moderate alcohol consumption, as little as 1 drink per day, was associated with measurable reductions in brain volume. After 60, your brain is already naturally losing volume at a faster rate. Alcohol accelerates that process. What to drink instead? Water first. Green tea is exceptional. It contains L-theanine, which actively supports calm focus and brain health. Sparkling water with lemon if you want something interesting. Food 5. added sugar, especially in drinks. Sugar in drinks is the most dangerous form because your brain doesn't register liquid calories the same way it registers solid food. Fruit juices, sports drinks, sweetened teas, flavored coffees. They flood your bloodstream with sugar instantly. Chronically high blood sugar damages the blood vessels that supply your brain. It also disrupts the production of BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which is essentially your brain's fertilizer. Low BDNF is directly linked to depression, anxiety, and accelerated memory loss. What to drink instead? Water, green tea, black coffee in moderation, and if you want something sweet, eat a piece of whole fruit. The fiber slows the sugar absorption completely. So let's recap. The 5 foods most damaging to your brain after 60 are refined carbohydrates, omega-6 heavy oils and margarine, ultra-processed snack foods, alcohol even in moderate amounts, and added sugar, especially in drinks. Now here's the good news. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to eliminate everything overnight. Start with one swap this week. Replace white bread with whole grain. Swap your cooking oil to olive oil. Cut 1 sugary drink per day. Small, consistent changes compound into massive results over months and years. If you found this valuable, please subscribe. We publish new science-backed videos every week to help you thrive in your 60s and beyond. And watch our previous video on the 5 habits that protect memory. The link is right here. I'll see you next week.